watching volcano videos. Did you know this year there were 55 volcano eruptions? Most dangerous volcano in America is the Kilauea volcano in Hawaii. As you guys know, volcanoes are very hot. Speaking of volcanoes, people think Indian food is very hot too. I'm gonna prove that wrong with a dish called spinach chicken curry. Now let's get started. I'm going to put 1 scoop of the chicken nicely onto the plate. You can either eat it with rice or naan. I'm eating it with rice. That's good. If you really like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye. I'm going to ruin it.